Hi everyone, welcome to Rashmi's Vlog Life. If you are new to my channel, I am Rashmi. If you like my channel, please subscribe. It's free. Subscribe Rashmi's Vlog Life. It's free. After subscribed, click on bell notification button. In that option, select all to get notified every time. Thank you for watching and keep supporting me and my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial video for a guest makeup look, and it's Indian guest makeup look, and I'm doing it like a very simple and elegant makeup style. If you want to know how I do this, then keep on watching. The lighting is little dull here because mostly in hotel rooms lightings will be dull. That's the reason. And I'm prepping my face using a MAC Fix Plus. I'll allow few minutes to absorb so I'll have a nice base. So it's nicely absorbed. Now I am using a Clinique Moisture Surge. Mano తెలుసు. I always see my monitor whether recording properly or not, camera is focusing properly or not. That's fine. I always keep my makeup very simple and it should be elegant way. So since it's a guest wedding makeup, I keep it very elegant and simple way. So I'm using a powder foundation only. So this is a loose powder from Smashbox. I always use the sponge, which is easy for me to do. You can say puff for sponge or anything like that. So whenever you are doing it for your face, even cover your neck and ear, so it won't be like face is different color and neck area will be different color, like that. It shouldn't be. That's why I'm saying always cover your neck and ears and everything properly. My base makeup is over. I'm going to apply the kajal. I'm giving a tight line to both the eyelids. So in this way I cover entire kajal. I don't want to smudge it down till because mostly southern side it's humidity place, but since I'm in Tiruvannamalai, this is sorry for the background noise. Since I'm in Tiruvannamalai, here it's hilly area, so you'll feel the pleasant chill climate. I'll repeat the same on my other eye. I'm giving a single coat of mascara to my both lashes. Like I said in all my previous videos, I do the same technique. I'm using eyeliner to line my eyes. I already prepped my lips using a lip balm, and I'm going to apply this lipstick. This is a neutral pinkish lipstick from Chambord. It's powder matte and the shade is Brick Rose. I use this because I no need to retouch it with any lip balm, because this itself act like a lip balm only, but this is a matte lipstick. This is a beautiful shade. I don't know why it is looking so pale in my lips in this lighting. I'm using Sugar's Scarlet O'Hara shade. So always I mix to get my desired lipstick shade. After completing my makeup, I always retouch it with loose powder. Here is the finished look. This is very simple and elegant way of guest makeup look. And by the way, the lighting and the background is this is a hotel room. Here the background and lighting is not that good enough, so I'm recording it with my mobile and the cameras. So most of the video I'll be checking out the monitor whether it's recording properly or not, the camera is focusing or not. That's the reason I always see my monitor. If you like this video, please hit a like button. If you like my channel, then subscribe and comment below and share it with everyone. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Bye bye. Have a great day.